How can you go viral on TikTok with your product selling business? If you want to scale your online business using TikTok, here's what you need to do. First, your content and how you shoot your content is very important. Do you have a good enough smartphone or camera to shoot your videos with? It doesn't have to be the best one or the most expensive one. You don't need to invest in a DSLR camera that you cannot afford, but a better quality will do better on TikTok with your content. Now, besides quality, the second thing that you need to think of when you want to start using TikTok for your business promotion is your niche. Your TikTok account cannot be about anything and everything. Your TikTok account must be about your business and the products you are selling, and you cannot also do funny trends on the same account that have nothing to do with your business or products. It will just not work that way unless this is the way you want to use to promote your products. Now, the third thing you want to do to promote your products using your TikTok account is to optimize your TikTok account for business. What that means is that you need to add an SEO title for your account. For example, besides just adding your brand name, add your brand name and what you do or the type of products that you sell. Next, also optimize your profile description. In a few lines, explain what you do, what your products are, where they can be purchased, and more. Connect your social links so people can see more of your business, and add a professional profile image for your account. This way, people will instantly recognize you as a product selling business if your profile image is your logo, for example, and check out your accounts to check out your products if they see your TikTok on the For You page. The next thing you want to do if you want to grow your TikTok account for your business is to start creating consistent content. Content that features your products and that features how your products can help your clients. So find a way to prove with your TikToks that your products are a solution to somebody's problem. The more you post on TikTok, the more growth you will see. Experts recommend 4 or more TikToks per day at different intervals during the day. But if you can't do that, I suggest at least to stay consistent, use 1 TikTok per day. Now, what will actually bring you success on TikTok and make your products go viral and your product selling business get known by more and more people every day? Honestly, being on time with different trends and different sounds that are currently trending and that you see all the time on the For You page is something that will help you gain some views and followers fast. So if you're scrolling to TikTok in the past few days and you see a sound that keeps repeating, remember that sound won't be popular for long. So make sure to go ahead and use it right now for your business. The next thing that will actually help you grow on TikTok and make more sales with your product selling business is staying consistent with original content. Even if there are no trending sounds or audios to use right now, think of how you can maybe create a new trend or use a new sound to fit your products, or use different sounds creatively to show your product's features. You can also use original sounds, so just sounds in which you speak, you explain what your products are, and just create original new content on TikTok. And most importantly, optimize your TikToks, especially the ones in which you're speaking or explaining something, with closed captions so people can read them. A great idea is adding a relevant caption to your TikTok when you're posting it, as well as use hashtags for your TikTok that are not too popular for your account. Mix a few that are popular with some that are not so popular, and your hashtags could be good to go and your TikTok can be posted. Overall, all these things will help you build your brand's visibility on TikTok and your social media presence overall. Remember, you have to stay consistent with TikTok if you want to grow and if you want to bring more leads to your website and products. I hope this video helped you out and it gave you some tips on how to grow on TikTok as a business. If it did, make sure to leave it a like and subscribe down below for more such content every single week. You can also follow me on Instagram and on TikTok at Lydia.incomingsuccess, as well as find my other social media links below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.